look at this, guys. So this is a Simplex 4100 ES, a pretty old one too. Let's see it over. Brush the dust off. There we go. You can see that there's like different speakers here and stuff. Here's the other bits. This is the extender panel. Here's a pull station, all floor deck. So that will set off the alarms on all floors. And then there's the intercom and the phone. There's the panel up there. I always wanted to press a button on one of these, but I'm not going to because I probably shouldn't. But there's the local speaker, and all speakers talk. So if I were to flip that on and take this intercom thing out, I would, and press the button, it would actually, it would ding twice, and then I could speak into it, and the whole building would hear it. And I have dust all over my fingers. There's the main control thing. And there's this over here, which is, looks like a boiler alarm. So, there we go. And so over here is where the new panel is going to be going. They are replacing it. And before you ask me, no, I'm not going to try and get it because these things have proprietary programmers, and if I did get it, I wouldn't be able to use it. So, no, I am not going to ask for this panel. Plus, either way, how would I? It's huge. Well, how would I even hang it up anywhere? But yeah, there's your original Shure microphone. That's awesome. Oh yeah, these also use car batteries, looks like. I'm sure there's some under this dress panel too. There's a smoke detector up there that is currently in an active state. Let's see what's in here. Is this the dialer? Yeah, this is the dialer. Then I don't know what's in here, but it's locked, so I'm not going to touch it. And there's your pull station again. There's a bunch of wires here. They all go up there. And they go everywhere in the building. Some documentation.
Back to the wall, but to put a sink or a tub or a toilet, it takes major plumbing. You know what I mean?
I wondered about that. Some of the PNC building they were doing it, and I'm like, that seems like it's not as good of a. And this thought like maybe it was something like that, or like they have all the stuff in the middle, and here it's all over on this side, not that side. That makes sense.
So the plumbing would be like over $1 million to put plumbing in the middle of the floors. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So,
Oh yeah.
but
Run it all up. And
then move it over to this. Like again, if you want, imagine right here, imagine that floor. There's no plumbing over there. You know what I mean?
Yep.
Do you think I could try out the microphone on the panel? Do you think I could try out the microphone on the panel?
No.
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
We'll get the man a couple things.
But yeah, there's everything there. Yeah, let me just get some pictures, and then I'll just put them there. Go and close up the panel door. There we go. Huge thank you to the security here. Ooh, what's this? Anyway, huge thank you to the security here for letting me take a look at all this stuff. And then there's also all of this stuff over here. They're redoing all the elevators, getting rid of the old wood shafts and motors. But again, huge thank you to security here for letting me take a look at this.